Alright, welcome to Algodecathlon. Hold on, let me get some music. Sorry if this is, crappy content. For, a first person like me. This is Algodecathlon. Here's the picture. Oh. And here's Sky thinking of the knee slapper emote on Fortnite. Don't judge her, she's going insane. Since 2 seasons of already going on. Alright, so we have our lovely contestants back again. Excuse me. So I'm gonna go to no copyright sounds. Go check the channel, it's very good. How about we do some Ricochet? Alright, let's start. Laggy. This, oh god. Technical difficulties already. It's gonna be very laggy. Cause I have like 757 objects and this. So it's gonna be very laggy. I may have to do different parts. So, yeah. Oh, it looks like that paint gets 18 points. Graph mode turned on, boy. You all will bump that. Sorry, Magenta wasn't in the frame. Now she is. Not all of you will get screen time. Oh, there's Lime a little bit. Lime doesn't get too much recognition. So, first. Oh, shocking twist. Cyan. Second one to make it, we ship it. No, they're both girls. We don't ship it. So, I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah, the people who, helped me to go on here, I mean, like, technically help, is my friend Sean Belermino Diaz. Go subscribe to him. I'm possibly gonna put a link to his channel if I'm not lazy. And Razu Pokemon 56, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, pretty sure. So yeah, I'll be possibly linking those, or you can just search up their channels and then go subscribe to them because they're good people and you better check their channels out, or otherwise you're gonna be in the dead memes. I shouldn't be saying dead memes. That's copyright. Boy. Alright, let's just pretend I did not say that. We already have 3 minutes into the video, well, so far, and we only have 2 people that made it. Stupid yellow. Stop hogging the frame, boy. Looks like that we need to do a different part. If, this continues. Boy. Oh yeah, the females are Cyan, Lavender, Purple, Magenta, Pink, and Sky, which there's only 6, surprisingly. The ones that I want girls are Orange, Lime, Blue, and that's basically it. All green! No, we don't need ads! Why? Sorry about that. I don't usually do music, so yeah. I'm pretty sure that this is great for my content, because my content's like beep. I'm possibly gonna be a friend to swear, but that means demonetization. I mean, like, it's true of YouTube. This video's starting to get pretty long. I may have to do part 2 later. Blue, why are you stuck? Boy, why are they going through each other? I don't know logic.